Let's review our posture. Find your hip bones. Make sure your feet are directly beneath them. This is the distance you want between your feet for your body. Gently and deeply bend your knees, keeping your chest stacked over your hips. Relax those shoulders. Dispense your weight evenly on your feet. Practice relaxing into this posture, especially if you're new to World Fusion or belly dance. And hydrate. It's good to warm up before dancing. I suggest doing squats. You can add your arms to this, shoulder rolls, and side reaches. You'll want to cool down after dancing with some stretches. I suggest stretching your hip flexors, your hamstrings, releasing your lower back, and even trying some balance challenges. Then some gentle roll-ups always help reset the body. All right, let's get to dancing.